out here at Glen Helen with Josh Mosman. It's a hot day today, and we kind of caught him low-key, and he's out here suited and booted, and it is a Loretta Lynn's Qualifier, man. What brings you out to this race today?
Well, Glen Helen is our local track. The main reason we're out here is because my wife is selling bread and cookies, so my wife has a little sourdough bakery out of our house, and she's like, well, we got to race every weekend now and sell bread, so we're having fun selling sourdough bread, and then obviously I want to race as well, so it works out. Two-sided coin, three-sided coin really, because I'm working for Motocross Action Magazine, testing bikes, so we're testing. I like racing, so, and that's fun, and then my wife likes selling bread and making bread, and the people at the track want us to come, so it's really fun to be here. Glen Helen's our local spot, and then next weekend's the two-stroke national here at Glen Helen, so I just rode our YZ 252 stroke Pro Circuit. Schneike built it up. Luke did the suspension at Pro Circuit, and yeah, the engine is pretty sick. So I just raced with Vincent Way and Aiden Kiefer, both Team Green Pro Circuit guys, and those guys are moving quick, and I was right on them for five laps. So it's a sprint motos, 5-lap motos, right on all the way to the finish line. So that was fun. My first race on the 250 two-stroke in a while, and yeah, excited for next weekend, the two-stroke race.